Have you ever heard of a shipment stuck at an Indian port just because batteries did not have a BIS certificate? Actually, it happens and it was costly. In 2024, a global EV battery brand lost lakh of rupees in penalties because their lithium-ion battery lacked BIS registration under Indian standards. Battery product must follow strict safety rules under BIS CRS, and every battery type has a specific IS standards. For example, lithium-ion battery falls under IS standard 16046 part 2. Now let's talk about the BIS certification process. The process starts from the lab testing. The lab must be BIS approved and overseas labs are not accepted. Then comes the documentation part. You will need ISO 9001 certificate, brand authorization, battery datasheet, and more. Once you have got the test reports and documents, apply through the BIS CRS online portal. And everything's checked out, you will receive your BIS certificate and registration number. This certificate is valid for 2 years, but don't forget to renew it. Missing it means your next shipment might be get rejected. Whether you are an original equipment manufacturer or an importer, don't take risk of delays at customs. Leave it all to the Diligence Certifications, your shortcuts to stress-free BIS approval.